Imagine a world where stone tools dominated life. Now, picture the shift to iron, a game changer. This transformation spurred innovations in tools, trade, and societies. The Iron Age marks a pivotal chapter in human history. Here, iron and steel became essential materials. Unlike previous ages, this change wasn't uniform. Regions like Zambia transitioned directly from stone to iron. Why does this matter? Understanding this transition reveals how technology shapes societies. Iron replaced stone for compelling reasons. Today, we'll explore the journey to iron. First, let's examine the Metal Ages. This framework outlines three key periods: the Copper Age, the Bronze Age, and finally, the Iron Age. Each age marked technological advancements. The Copper Age surfaced around 4500 BCE. Here, humans first used copper for tools. Yet, stone tools remained prevalent. Next came the Bronze Age, showcasing stronger bronze tools. This era saw complex civilizations emerge. Then arrives the Iron Age, starting around 1200 BCE. Ironworking technology spread globally, offering stronger and cheaper tools. But what sets Africa apart? Many societies, including Zambia's, skipped directly to ironworking. Africa's unique path had reasons. The region boasts abundant iron ore. Ironworking knowledge spread through trade and migration. The Bantu expansion played a crucial role, bringing this technology to southern Africa by around 200 CE. Now, let's delve into what iron actually is. Iron is a common element found in ores, unlike copper and tin. Smelting is the key step. It involves heating ores with charcoal to extract iron. The ironworking process includes a few essential steps. First, miners extract iron ore from the earth. Next, the ore undergoes smelting in a clay furnace. This process separates iron from impurities. Then comes forging, heating and shaping the metal. Finally, quenching hardens the tool or weapon. Why was iron superior to stone? Iron tools are durable and can be resharpened. They were locally available, unlike rare stone types. Iron could create diverse tools for various needs, while stone was limited. The transition to iron wasn't abrupt. Stone tools persisted alongside iron for centuries. However, iron's advantages made it the preferred choice. Adopting iron transforming societies impacted many areas. Economically, agricultural expansion surged. Iron tools cleared land for cultivation efficiently. More food supported larger populations, transforming villages into towns. With surplus production, specialized labor emerged. Socially, the rise of iron brought stratification. Blacksmiths gained special status, becoming pivotal in communities. Settled agriculture fostered larger, more complex societies. Gender roles shifted, with ironworking tasks divided along gender lines. Politically, iron weapons shifted power dynamics. Leaders with iron weapons gained military advantages. This led to centralized authority and territorial expansion. Ironworking also reshaped the environment. Deforestation occurred as farmers cleared land. The landscape transformed, and resource extraction became commonplace. In Zambia, we see an important story of ironworking linked to Bantu migration. Bantu-speaking peoples migrated east and south, spreading their knowledge of ironworking. Archaeological sites like Kalambo Falls provide evidence of early iron use. The chronology of the Iron Age in Zambia shows distinct phases. The early Iron Age began around 200 CE, highlighting settled communities and agricultural cultivation. In understanding the Iron Age, we gain insight into how iron revolutionized societies. Iron was more than a material, it shaped economies, social structures, and governance. In summary, the transition to the Iron Age marked a vital shift. Iron tools transformed agriculture, population dynamics, and social roles. The spread of ironworking, particularly in Zambia, showcases human ingenuity amid change. To further explore this topic, consider these questions: how did iron tools impact daily life? What were the economic, social, or political consequences of this transition? Start diving into these fascinating aspects of the Iron Age now. Explore more resources, share your insights, and engage with fellow learners on this incredible journey through history.